Okay, minto wairire akimogenderete onye koro mageni asepeje welcome agenda igurali ligireria machiko elinde nalituranyale ko tumia libageri twairie metandao wekonya usigokonyana lero ntete ukwanira young people you're the reason I come here because I'm a mother and I have young adults. My oldest son is 24, nibwate 21, 18 no mwana on 11. So ekera mokondra ngukwana iga tindi gukwanira makonga ali 50 plus ngukwanira ondegwenso le 50 go chinse. You are my target audience because abantu abande nabanene kombwa bono nabo wenete konda atali nchengwene tembarai muntu monene ndiyo igondo le 51 go chigoro ayeto kunya ko sali chinguru chao kunya ko bwati amangana ngukwana because nabo ara kogechi because I know monene kwara belire nseye kombwa. So, onye koro mageni ase group ye so e group mbiyamono this December now we are allowing abantu ba post ibintu byabo bako ni mutumie platform ye. So, lero ndete kukwanira young people and what I have seen. Emetandao ya saliri abantu abange sana ubugima. Murochi binatogendete kubwati ibintu iska murochi chipeje n'abantu bagendete kukwana. Kero umuntu gatete ko so emetandao abandi batete barosi chibese abandi bategete batwale fame abandi batete batwale power yani bono umusu wosuguma nankole emetandao lakini tigamba tebi for you young people let me give you free advice abandi tuwachite social media kero twakongire tubwata abana turabangina. I was 34 years old kero nachagete gutumia chi platform chia social media in the beginning. Social media ya lenge ntu abwate my space for dating website ntu abwate chi social media wa abantu bagatumire kale lakini for me Facebook unsoete almost 15 years ago Facebook ige ya lenge egento kyokobeka chibicha abantu barare chibicha bali tubwata abana abayiga abana ba mintu bali Kenya barara abana bane twasoete metanda ase chibicha akake etaraba gatikendiga nchenga tigemeremo ngachake byasara kena chake byasara ngachaka gutumia Facebook ko ni bintu in 2015 nkolenge liga 2016 actively nkoboka nkonyole bintu na bintu bikoru Kenya. I sell products from Kenya na beke internet nganya ko ni bintu 2016 igando chigose 15 nalina join group ya nentangani group ye nona aliko ni bintu kabisa ngakole byasara ngatige mirimo full time ngachaka okole mirimo part time paka bono nanya ko irena mirimo full time because ebyasara biri naliko koraga ali social media 2017 ngaigora chi group echi ubere chi amasase na machuma na amasase mbabwate group ya bere ange 58,000 amachuma tole 200 and something thousand. Chi group ye tukatumia chi volunteer abantu baito abasani na atware great friends babo Benji babo baba Jackie Nana Lona obisa oyo nde ngakyo yalikoro kubono ngakyakoro Mosima tukatumia abantu aba volunteers korosi group ye koro 2017 paka bone gobuna muroche group ye egendererete kogenda 2 years ago group ye gachega ikachi group ye Facebook gachaka gochenchia machiko group ye gachega chakabe enene sana tugasinyukonye manage because abantu bali baga volunteer kokonye chi group ye chimba bwatemiremo yabo kero umuntu bona akaba busy ne career yaye tugasinyuko manage chi group ye tukaliyo umuntu ogwaka no manage chi group ye chi group ye echire manage no muntu ko Kenya abantu babere bakumanage oyo amu manage group y'abasibati oyo ndo manage group ye and they on payroll every month. I pay them out of my own money chiane nkoliya na kana elinde platform ye bororo bantu bange mama etingi platform ye is taking my money out of my paycheck every month. Why? Because the platform ye chichi ankonyire talinga na yino bosani bwoka network ebintombire platform ye chibere chiakolire nyeru etoko chiakanera every month and now we are allowing abantu now this month last month we allowed abantu batanga as products they are selling for free. Why do I do that? Because I have noticed abanta banga basaye bategete goche metanda batenge abandi bategete goche barusi chianga abandi bategete goche ngababe kobonyira abandi bategete bacha kunya korama abantu abandi batete yani abantu bakora all kinds of rubbish go create content ngelinde bakanwe na YouTube ngwakanere Instagram ngwakanere kwerende TikTok ngwakanere all these platforms young people ba minyukire guchiyo bakwenda nga content bako create bakanwe the amount of time young people wa spend korwekero wa join tie mitandao gachaka gotenga koruliri wa chaka to gotenga mpaka bono nte togenda uli kitabu kiao oligerelinga ki chibesirenga kwaro sirigese uchaka gotenga busa chibesirenga kwaro sirigese uchaka kobeko bunyira emitandao chibesirenga kwaro siri guchaka korusi chisruali chiao internet ebolinga kirigerelie se budget yao ono December kuru January mpaka December chibesirenga kwaro siti emitandao. Young people, I'm very passionate about you because I'm a mother. Again, to when they talk about 2023 ngo chere tigana na mangana ye metandao gotumie metandao kunya gokorobo sense linde ngonyole followers. To konyola followers ko tengera abantu every day is not going to get you anywhere. Korusi anga that gets old. Korusi kobeke surwali that gets old. Kobeko bonyira all those things people are doing. Korama abantu all that gets old. Young people, identify a product that you want to sell. That is number one. You need to use social media platforms to sell a product. Identify the product that you want to sell. Once you have identified nichingo kokon, earrings yokon, etuki yokon, once you've identified the product that you want to sell, chaka kuliye audience. Tebi abantu bara iki page. Una wana nabonko batenga like page yani. Eki yako ratoko batemura like chi page cheito because Facebook yuko taka kutoa charge ko market product. Igoba onoliba gato waka na Facebook kutigato waka ne abantu bakorani muna nchetiganga kana abantu bakorani page yega elinde munyole mwenzi platform na nchenyole platform onye although njetindi ko ni esti group Ekegusii because clients bane balega iga America igonde chi group chi America senkon chi product cyane elinde abantu baito banyale gutumia platform yeye banyole bali babwate content ingia banyole views bali babwate content yu wakanu bakanu so that way timbasa wakana abantu bali baisiko igonye tura like my page because directly or indirectly it's going to help you especially nye kore page ego gotumie page. Okay, ekero wacha akiri ko nye product kwabekire nganko nyoli chiyarinyechi kwabekire nganko nyoli chingoko kwabekire nanko na churu bunyanzi kwabekire ngango itole chinko kore follow up bwati abateja bali bawo chi customer bawo babolinga kichunko mutagete chitwe mutagete chi earring mutagete muchino rabigu mutagete chimbera chiremwe whatever product utagete kon nyebokere tigakoboka konya gotenga tigakonya kuboka konya kulige libintu byabande egento kelikwana chireki nangana kyotete koni keboko gitangase kere lituko tware strategy wose leye strategy yogo kwa advertise product because the product ya ekero kwa tware product ya okonya to kuboka mambyo nyole Facebook ya kulire internet because a platform because what kwabege tokotera batatageti Facebook tego cha mwanecha ko ngura chi yari nyechi nensie kanga na atanga sirimono because ngo siekere nga watanga sirimono ye wonsieka for a few days alafu ngirane terigo che ngure chi yari nyechi ngaye product yeri onye nige nteke nkoni ne chi headband ne headband ye nkonyon $30 a headband ye chiro siri ku Kenya very beautiful beads na bongo che igantangase na tebanga my name is Penny I sell these headbands for $25 you pay your own shipping and handling natangasa na batebi it holds on like this it has many colors these beads are authentic take time go promote a product yao because Facebook ne product yo monto TikTok ne product yo monto Snapchat ne product yo monto Instagram ne product yo monto have your own product take a code advertise you still have the product to kuboka mambyo nyole platform ende yonsi yakulire headband ye na ande naboko enda nabona nchembwate zawadi creations.com nabonko enda zawadi creations.com mbeke product ye ondetari kongura product ye brand yourself Ekerote to kolege ento brand yourself. Deciding I keep keeping up with Penny O. Mnenjibone ebi asabiane okero ko wili ta keeping up with Penny O no maitenga Penny. Kero ko Barack Obama no maiteningo. Kero ko Donald Trump no maiteningo. Kero ko Uhuru Kenyatta no maiteningo. Alairo Odinga no maiteningo. Kero ko ira ko Churchill no maiteningo. Ningo Churchill. Aye ningo. Ekero ko Facebook ko monyene Mark Zuckerberg. Aye ningo. Brand yourself. Wake up in the morning and start branding yourself. Where nobody is going to take it away from you. Okoboka mambia, chi haka nchira ili kwanyore page ya chira. This page of mine was hacked for 2 months. Yeah? Nga chikoboka litkolinde iga, monto eto kunya go engage nga Facebook ko engage, ani hackers ko engage. Bakangure page. Lakini mba ngule tichi headband ye chino chire. Mba tichi headband ye change 25. Yeah? Brand yourself so people can identify when ekerongo tenga omo science muma eteningo. Kerongo teba migi muma etemna ningo. Ekerongo tenga DJ Bani muma eteningo. Ekerongo tenga Millicent Omanga muma yete. Ntebe na bwega sa muma yete. Benjamin Bugongo ko yumura malieta yi. Abuna abantu ba koliro mokia ba irira malieta abo banya brandiri. A brand yourself as a brand. Niba wokonya gotenga Facebook bosa no. Imoka brand yourself. Elindo imagine as a brand that is going to be visible by focusing on what you want to sell. Digerelia, chi problem chira around you, solve those problems by creating a product. For me, I sell Kenyan products because it is a need nero, a demand nero ya Kenyan products. Igeke umonto otaite Kenyan flag, they call me. Ondo tagete chi bracelet chi Kenya, they call me. Ondo tagete merango, they'll call me. Ondo tagete machani, they call me. Nyogo taite roiko ndangeli. Everybody on social media so far around the US knows nga nchembwate armies, knows nga nchembwate binsari. I am identified with things made in Kenya. Onyogo taite chianga kuru Kenya I have. When you see me, iga America muna bamanyete bali bamanyeta ba Kenya bali chinechi million. They know nga penny ongwenyo of New Jersey ko niale binto kuru Kenya. Brand yourself and emerge with your brand. Come out as a brand. And put that brand out there. Let us identify you as a brand. Schedule everything. Every day I come on Facebook on my page at 9 a.m. and that is the time I have from my break. We get 15 minutes. I take my 15 minutes to come on Facebook consistently. And I do that 5 days or 6 days a week unless I have something going on. Schedule those times that you're going to come and talk about your brand and be consistent. Like in these groups, in these platforms, we are not limiting anybody from branding themselves. The only thing Facebook doesn't want is you selling fake things, like medicine. They are very sensitive when it comes to selling things that are medicine or things that are going to reduce your manhood or things that are going to tighten your womanhood. They are products, chemicals that Facebook does not allow. So those ones we will not allow you to come every morning and tell people that you can take this medicine and this is going to happen. They remove those because they have ways to filter anybody selling something that is to do with medicine. Because the drug abuse is a big thing in America. So they censor those things. But find that product and schedule the time on a regular basis to come and brand that product. What really are you excited about? I'm excited about talking. I'm excited about African print. I'm excited about traveling. What are you excited about? Find that product and do it locally. Brand it and just go run with it. Okay? Get somebody to be an accountability partner. Get somebody who can support you. Somebody who can remind you that you need this after you do the commercial, after you advertise. Somebody who can help you make adjustments. Somebody who's already ahead of you. Or itokoroke mentor. People want money. People want pleasure. People want power. People want fame. But you can't just be famous because of trashing people. You can't just be famous for shaking your body on Facebook every morning. You can't just be famous for just waking up and following and commenting. No. All these products we are using are people's products. Ask yourself, what is your product? What product are you offering out there that is yours? What can you do with your own hands So when you wake up in the morning and Facebook has taken the page, you have something to do. When you wake up and TikTok has shut you down, you have something to do. We can't just come to social media and just start dancing on social media and think that dancing is a product. Yes, it is a product. But what if you wake up one morning and your platform has shut down? What are you going to do? How are you going to market that product? So use social media platforms to establish your clientele by making a product that people are going to depend on. And you know what? Your return customers are going to keep you going and they're going to bring more customers. But you can only do that after you have identified a product that you want to sell. Not to just come on social media. I spent a few minutes or even hours following some of the Ekegusii men and women on social media. And I'm like, wow. Okay, wow. I say, wow. And then before you know it, something is going on with them. We have to raise money for them. We don't want such things to happen. Create a product so when I tell you, Omo Science, you know he sings. When I tell you Migi, you know he's a musician. When I tell you DJ Bani, she's singing. When I tell you Sirobi Rastas, you know he's a radio presenter. When somebody tells you Penny Ongwenyu, you know what Penny does. Build that brand and focus on building the brand. Don't mind everybody else's business and then you forget to mind your own business. Use these platforms to grow yourself. I'm investing in these platforms because I am not only earning money, I'm also creating a network of friends. It's not always about money. It's always about networking. Okay? You can use the platform to just network. You are not gaining money, but you know, sometimes it's not always about money. It is about connecting and knowing the right people when you know where and when you want what. So people, yes, the content is paying. Facebook is paying. All these platforms are paying. But you cannot wake up every morning from January to December, you're dancing on Facebook or you're gossiping on Facebook. Where is the product? Are your books balancing? How much money have you earned since you started dancing in January to December? Look at those books and ask yourself, is it something you want to still continue doing? With that said, go on my page. We are just about to start the campaign for supporting Abana Kaabana Lindasi. That is going to kick in at the end of this week. We all need to come together. I'm going to get a team of people together so we can give them Mwana Lindasi. This is the time for Christmas that we remember children who don't have parents. And you know what you can do is get yourself so you can bless one child. Like my page, and you know you don't know how I'm going to help you. One day you will find yourself talking to me and asking me, Penny, please help me. So what I'm asking is for you to go like my page. And you're going to learn, because every day I find something to talk about that is encouraging you. You're going to learn something. You're not going to come out on my page without learning anything. God bless you. Mind your business that pays you. It pays a lot to mind your business that pays you because your children are looking up to you. Your children are waking up thinking, Mom is going to do this. Dad is going to do this. Brand yourself. High achievers work so hard to brand themselves. Brand yourself. Stop minding everybody else's business but your business. God bless you.